Hey guys, welcome back for another video from TDL DIY. So today the garage is a little bit disoriented just because we got a little project going on. But first we got to do this other project to be able to do the project that I'm wanting to do. All right, so just over here in this corner, it's an awkward corner, as you guys can see. So what I'm going to probably do is build out a shelf straight to here, straight out like that to the wall, and it's going to be like this weird triangle kind of shelf. It's going to be a floating shelf most likely, and we'll have it go from top or bottom to the top. Maybe not all the way up to the top, but we'll probably put at least 3, maybe 4 shelves in there. But before I do that, one thing I really wanted to do for a while was paint the garage. So before I can paint the garage, we got to put our second and possibly third coat of some mud on the joints. So that's what we're probably going to be doing today. Is we're going to move everything out towards the center, and if we can, I'd love to be able to at least get from right around here all the way over to that over there today. That'd be great. So just for you guys to know, I've never done this before. This will be my first attempt to do any type of drywall mudding. So I'm kind of wing it. I have seen some videos, and it was a long time ago. I've probably forgotten the proper way. And you know what? There's only one way to really learn, guys. So either you do it yourself, or you have the people, the experts, come in and teach you, coach you along how to do it properly. So I figure it's not that hard. It probably is. I mean, the basic concept is probably not that hard, but all you professional tradespeople out there that do this for a living, you're probably going to make total fun of me, tell me you know, I'm doing it completely wrong, and I'm okay with that because I just really want to learn, and that's what my channel is all about. This one is not a DIY tutorial walkthrough teaching you guys. It's just my experience. Probably just going to be filming parts of it so you guys can just see what's going on in my life and what's going on in the garage. So I haven't picked out a color yet. We're not even there yet. But I'm thinking maybe a gray. You guys let me know what color you guys have in your garages, and you know, what do you think? So yeah, I'm probably leaning towards like a gray, a light gray, maybe a bluish light gray, somewhere in there. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'll probably get some paint samples and try to show you guys before I actually do it. Yeah, I'm super excited about this project, guys. That's pretty much it. Like, we're gonna try and knock this out. Try to do, you know, it's my first attempt, so try to do the best we can, but also at the same time, try to get it done before either I go back to work or, you know, before the summer ends. So I think I think I'm able to do that. Just look around the garage, you know, and then my second part, hopefully I can get all that done today, maybe tomorrow. I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna also do the roof, the ceiling here, down on this part, all this part here, but I probably won't get to do up here. And I'm okay with that, so I can do that another time. But I want like the main part of the garage all done, all painted, and you know, second or third coat. We'll see what the second coat looks like. I know professionals will probably want to have 3 coats on there, but again, I'm not a professional, but I'm gonna try to do the best I can and go from there. So enough with me rambling. We're going to probably put this camera down. We'll probably get the GoPro out, and it's a little bit wider angle lens, so you can see a little bit more of the garage and what I'm doing, what area I'm in. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Right here, that's that corner I'm going to do a shelf in. I've already kind of mocked one up a little bit. I'll show you that real quick before we start off. And yeah, So I got this whole side clear, so I can walk up and down. Should be fairly quick, I think, to mud there. I'm gonna try and hit the roof today. So basically this is it. Oops. So it's gonna look something like that. What's gonna go in there. So I've already kind of mocked it up a bit, and then we're gonna put a piece of like MDF or something on it. Plywood or MDF, put on it, kind of look like a floating shelf. Put a piece under the bottom and have a little bit of overhang or enough to cap it all off. So that's my plan for this corner over here. Might be able to get a better idea with this camera, but yeah. So that's my idea there. You know, have four or five shelves or something like that in there. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking and let's get on with this. Alright guys, so my battery died last time, but we've put a second coat on everything. 90% of everything. So we did this wall, this here. We got up there a little bit. We didn't focus on any of this stuff up here. We got mostly all the walls here and on the ceiling back there. So this is it. So we got the ceiling a bit. We got a bit along here. Not all the way, because just a little bit here that we forgot. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. And obviously, I forgot the top kicking out this way a bit on the ceiling, pretty much all the way around. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. So we're gonna sand it today, and or part of it today. See how far we get, and we'll go from there. I know a lot of it's gonna need a good bit of sanding, but yeah, let's do it.